kejela kurat sangma neksengi ulaong bagi surok kidon ya kebenda ban wanra ya kejingkela ha keplilat ya kejingkiu syakmat jongki distrik basa syajaka nong kendong ya keni ulakren habubu ya Mawnongrim ban shna penhe ya ke Surok na Weiloi-Mawkyrwat-Rangthong ha Southwest Castle District bat keni ke projek lamang pisa kemba chispa South Poplur tingkah ha keni kesengi lai dan langru da sembut Myntri Rangbah kejela ba Presiden Tensong ba baru ya ketenat PWD kumjuru Menteri ketenat juga kai pertai utimati di Shira UMLA ke Mawkyrwat ba Rinik dan Langda Tengkar UMLA ke Ranikor ba Pius Marweng UMLA ke Mawnongrim ba Olan Singsoin bat UMLA ke Umsning Dr. Celestin Lengdo Myntri Rangbah haba keren hakani kesengi ola banjur bagi jingken show pisa hagi jingdai habakut kidai ke jingken show ha kibreo man ketengka bangi the hagilat penyeso kamdai ke penlut tang ha karong bat umau kadai ke jingpen show ha kibreo bakatno ke jingsuk ya kikmi makin poi shiki hospital hadu katno khana ula ban poi school tikna bat katno ke jing snow scam gunong rap ban pen poi mar sha kiyo kihan Myntri Rangbah ulapan pauru bagi distrik kebala syai beng bah baru sikata kum ke Southwest Castle District ke South Garo Hills bat ke East Giant Hills ke ladon menta hapdeng jongki kampen roy bak sorkar ke ai kai ke basisen kapur lakhen kum ki jaka nong kendong mala i beng menta ke lakal lalong ke jaka penroy kalenti tray kam jongi kalong ban pentikna bak roy kapar kan sedang na kini ke jaka.
At the outset, I feel privileged to deliver this vote of thanks. It's an honor. First and foremost, I'd like to convey my sincere gratitude to the Honorable Chief Minister of Government Meghalaya, Sir Conrad K. Sharma. In spite of your busy schedule, sir, you have given us the time to lay this foundation stone for this construction of the road from Weiloi to Rangthong, to mark the commencement to start the work. Sir, your inspiring words, the efforts and the commitment of the government of the day have really motivated us to strive for a better future for the people of Mawkyrwat in particular and the state in general. So once again, thank you, sir.
I feel honor and privilege to be part of this program of laying the foundation stone for completion of road from Weiloi to Rangthong to Mawkyrwat. Maybe some of you may get strange why I'm here. Mawnongrim and why I come here to Mawkyrwat. The reason is because this 14 kilometers stretch of road, 14 kilometers pass through my constituency. So I'm proud that I'm part of your program. I'm also proud that this stretch of road covered 14 kilometers of my constituency. So I give thanks to Masuba. They think you know only the name Marba. The name is Surok has some kilometer in Baka constituency here. The name is Surok na Weiloi-Mawkyrwat-Rangthong. So 4 kilometer has some kilometer in Baka Mawnongrim. The Subanai Kabi Honorable Lady Mawkyrwat, Latrishtam, Bola, Atletia, the government, ya Deputy Chief Minister Jogi, Chief President Tensong, ba Kajim to UP, Kajim to Janga, Kajim to Jim Fight Constitution, Jim White Constituency.
I extend a warm greeting to you all in this special occasion ceremony, the laying foundation stone of connecting the road from Weiloi to Mawkyrwat up to Rangthong, upgradation and widening from single lane into intermediate lane. I also look to a day that further extend towards the Ranthong, that this link road from Ranthong to Ranthong is 30 kilometers, but it's not connect only to the district, but is connectively up to South Carolina.
Gidaun terdapat pakau berkata kalau banging lekmen tertunggu ia kesokan mereka jongi hakijinya jongi sar korat kesalma rekat isar preston tenso kira pun orang yang kena jadi posner jo kira pun kibalan kipaiba jo kasorwes kases in general but paiba jo Mawkyrwat constituency in particular kibalakwa banjoi yang kena jadi orang jo dari Surok hak wilayah yang kena Surok kabasnero labor berpolitisnya sasi sempat kongkadak jo kaji kemen ya kena ketinggalan po yang Buh Mawnongrim bersa di Kermau that is Honorable Chief Minister rekat isar Preston ngagapan di baro kibadai kibasno try jo kena dokter time but kibasno kena Surok ka benefit ka mentoy ya di baro kena Surok intermediate le ngagapan di baro kibaran hanggo ngapo lagi calling yang shall we all rise to express our gratitude to the government Meghalaya for bringing this big development of this road infrastructure in this part of southwestern hills and particularly at Mawkyrwat. Shall we all rise? Kami yang berhak pada air bakti kepajang dan kepada perkara Meghalaya. Kami yang berhak. On behalf of people of Southwest Hills in general and on behalf of the people of Mawkyrwat in particular, I once again express my sincere gratitude to Honorable Chief Minister who has dared to give the sanction for this big project, and to Honorable Deputy Chief Minister Sri Preston Tenso who has initiated from the department to ensure that we get this big project today. And we are happy to be here, to be part of this project of the government of Meghalaya. Panobe, let's say, bila orang berdaya next day berkementam, ngah berdaya kita lagi Indonesia. Makanya kesini kita jadi kementam dengan. But ngasuh kemen, banyo ir bantet, bahwa pibaro pipaiba tu mereka dompet hanya kita sorbet saja. Ia don bertarang harta kemen kebanggaan kemen. Banyo i ia kabar satu lokal lo yang kena Surok. Kabar ila ando lah bor kau televisnya.
Cikena jadi pada jangka Mawkyrwat constituency, Mawnongrim constituency, Batu Kumju, Karanipur constituency, Barok Kawai. I'm so thankful to the Honorable Chief Minister who has ultimately consented to be here the whole day today for laying the foundation stone of this important project. 140 crores starting from Weiloi to Rangthong village, covering of the distance of not less than 40 kilometers. Sir, under your leadership, we are as we are today. We are as we are today, and we have seen too that Meghalaya is already in the right direction. Other states in different parts of India are looking to Meghalaya. And friends, you are all aware that we are of today the third state performing third fastest growing state in India. I think it's a blessing from the above that Meghalaya, such a small state, people like us, we are now competing with the big states in India, and we are number 3 in front of the government of India. We have seen the quality that you have, and we have also seen the commitment you made to serve the state of Meghalaya.
As mentioned earlier by Rangthong, who is a very, very dear friend of mine. Our friendship goes beyond politics, where we have known each other as friends, been through a lot of ups and downs in life together. And of course, we have been working together in this MDA government to take our state forward. And so I recall the conversation that we had. And even after that conversation, Rangthong has been continuously pressurizing Preston and myself to sanction this road at the earliest. And as mentioned, we could not do the entire stretch in one go. So we did half, and then now today we are here to do the other half. But the reason I'm mentioning this is to place on record the contribution, the commitment, and the hard work that has been put by Rangthong, your local MLA, and the other MLAs also, to ensure that this project is sanctioned and that we are able to lay the foundation stone. So I thank you, Rangthong, for your commitment and your hard work. And I'm sure that you must be the happiest person today. I'm sure every single citizen is happy, but I think you must be more happy than everybody else, because this has been one of your most important projects. I know that. And it's not easy for us as a government to sanction these kind of projects, because they are very large. 140 crores from state's own money is not a simple and a small project. 140 crores coming in from the state's budget reflects the importance, reflects the commitment that this government has towards the people of Southwest Khasi Hills. It is a different story if we get funds from central government or from any other scheme. It's a different story, because then there are many schemes and many government programs come. But when we do it from our own resources, then it means something special. And hence I am truly glad that today I was able to come, but I am truly happy that I am able to be here, to be part of this very, very
I should say, important project which has been waiting for a long time. The people of Mawkyrwat area and southwest Khasi Hills have been waiting for this road project for a very long time. This is something special to me also, because I also have promised this to the people of southwest Khasi Hills. So it gives me also a great sense of satisfaction to be here, to finally see the dreams, the aspirations, and the commitment today come true. I am very hopeful that the work for this will start very, very soon, and I expect that within the next 12 months to 15 months time, we should be able to see almost the whole road complete. There could be some stretches where technical problems may be there, but I'm sure most of it should be complete by or before Christmas next year. Friends, in the last 8 years, it has been the endeavor and efforts of our MDA government to ensure that no area, no district is left behind. Traditionally, what people used to see as corner districts, remote districts, be it South Garo Hills, be it Southwest Khasi Hills, be it the northern western tip of West Garo Hills, be it the extreme end of East Gente Hills. These areas used to be seen as remote, neglected and backward districts. But our government has ensured that for us, our vision should start with those remote districts. So like that, our development agenda has been spread across. And I'm happy to inform you that in the last 8 years from 2018, close to 850 crores worth of projects, about 150 of them have been done in Southwest Khasi Hills. Just in Southwest Khasi Hills, 850 crores worth of infrastructure projects. And this, my friends, is one of the highest sanctions that this area has ever seen in the last 54 years. Road has been one of the major areas for us.